This is Anambra International Airport. At the middle of last month, I paid a visit to this particular location to go and see the level of work that is currently going on there. And I visited there 2 times. The last time I visited there, I made complaint of something. But this time around, I think that thing has been fixed. So that's why I decided to head back there to go and give you guys the latest update. So before we dive into the into that aspect, I would like to mention something again. On this particular express which you are seeing, the previous bombs, the place there, they use something like looks like plastic or rubber, and within some few days, the motorists smashed those things and they were off the road. So this time around, they have came back and kind of redo the thing, then do it in a more solid form. So that one, I said, it's a welcome development. At least that one will last longer than the previous one they did. So from this angle, we're gonna be heading to that particular side where something new was done. I really enjoyed what they did there, because the previous time I visited here, I told you guys that the previous gutter, which was constructed by the ROCC, who built the road, was covered by these present contractors, just to pave way for this for the entrance they newly constructed inside the Anambra airport. But this time around, I think something has been done about that, because I was thinking, if that thing is left like that during raining season, I'm not seeing the whole thing looking so normal. They may be washed away by erosion. So, but I will be showing you everything in this video so you can see everything for yourself. All these sections was not tied, it was left like this. So that's why you see a lot of sand on that newly tied road. So all these sections are not tied. So any motorist that run through this place, or any foot that matches on this one, will definitely take the sand to that tied road. So that's why the newly tied road was looking like that. So over this angle, you can see it's 200 meter ahead. We still have the one that is 500 meter ahead at up. The reason why I captured this section is that I wanted to show you guys where the painting of the demarcation started, because previously the painting was only at the front of that entrance to the airport is where the painting was done. But this time around, they extended the painting down to that where you see the 200 meter ahead to the airport. So when I visited on Saturday, workers were on site and they were doing their job over there. I believe by now, before uploading this video, they might have been through with this angle, then head over to the other side. So they started the painting from that 200 meter ahead, heading down to that airport junction. And as you can see, the white ones has been completed. So they are doing the black one coming up. So once they are done from this angle, they will go the other side. They will also do it the other side, because I see signs of it. So you can see the workers, they are doing their job when I visited. So that's why I decided to show this angle. So from here, we're going to be heading down to where I'll be showing you the latest update concerning the erosion control and the rest of them. So the latest updates I have for you guys today, aside from the extension of the painting, the installation of the road caps, and the entrance of the airport road, and the other things that is being done on the center of the road. Aside from that, the something has been done about the drainage system, which I complain about, and that is what you are currently watching. We'll be heading over there to go and see how it was built. You can see over here that the previous drainage system was covered to pave way for the entrance road. So, and now they have constructed a kind of should I say a tunnel that will be, taking the whole erosion down to the other side, and that is the tunnel. So they built it somehow, then channel it to the other angle. I will show you this one, then go and show you where it is leading to, like where the thing come out from. So showing you this one, then we heading to the other side to show you. So this is how deep it is, and I believe when the rainy season comes, this will be enough to be able to carry the erosion that is coming out of this particular section. So it's a welcome development, and is commendable. At least I was thinking the whole thing would be left the way they did it before. So but thank God something has been done about it. So now we're gonna be heading to the other side where the thing come out from. You'll be seeing where it come out from, though it come out from somewhere from the other side, but I don't know where the all the whole erosion will be heading to. Honestly, that's just the thing. But there's an old drainage system at that particular side that has a dead end. It has a dead end, and it's not heading to anywhere actually, and it's old. I don't think it's being used for anything currently. So this is where the thing come out from. I will turn around and show you the the front of it. This is where the thing come out from. So, and this is all the environment of the place. So from this angle, I don't know where the erosion will be heading to, but let's just be observing until when raining season comes back by next year. Then we see how the whole thing will be looking like. So I really commend this one. This one is a welcome development. At least they have tried by not neglecting the whole thing. So this is the old drainage system I was talking about. So from here I will be going to the airport road to go and show you guys the level of work that is currently going on there. So from the previous ones I showed you, you can see that the painting of the road caps and other things has extended down to this angle, and they have extended down to the airport gate side also. So but just some few sections have not been touched. So continue watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the like button, and don't forget to share. Kindly drop your comments politely, no insult, please. Follow the YouTube guideline, don't insult, because I'll be removing any comment that has any atom of insult in it. So let's proceed in watching the video. So one more thing is that on this my visit, all the center, like the section of this center has been completed, and but the street lights, some of the street light, like as you can see in my video, I don't think this thing will be leaving. They will leave this thing this way, the way it is looking now. I think something should be done about that street lights, because it's looking somehow though. Then this center I'm watching was provided to cultivate some flowers at the center of the road, I was expecting that by now some flowers would have been planted in there, so at least it should have been planted by now. They will keep on watering it, so that before December or January the thing will kind of mature very well. So the currently the none of the street light that needs amendments has been touched, so but the road curbs has been painted, and everywhere that needs road curbs along this line has received the road curbs, and the center has also received their own. Remaining the street lights, where there is no street light, they have not replaced them. The one that needs a kind of retouching and the rest has not been retouched. So but work is progressing gradually. With time they will get to that aspect. So from here we'll be heading down to that road that links to the Integer side and the others. So but guys, this period I do not get to the airport gate, because all I'm doing is using my T-fare. I don't have a private vehicle that is taking me around, so I use my Legacy Benz to do most of these things. So I ended where my strength could carry me, and no tricycle is on site, no bike, nothing. So I have to stop where I stopped, so to gather more strength to go back. So just enjoy this section that I covered. But all I can say is that all this angle has really improved more than the way it was when I visited, because all this angle the previous time I visited, some of them have not been touched, but this time around you can see that almost all this place down, even after that Integer bypass has also been touched somehow. So just enjoy the ones I could be able to capture. And if you have watched this video to this extent, kindly do subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like I used to say, please keep your comments very, very good and respectful. Please, let's desist from insulting. It cannot take us to anywhere. It won't lead us to anywhere. Insulting and other things will not take us to anywhere. Just if you want to make a correction about our video, make the correction without insult. And if you have anything to contribute concerning the ongoing project, drop the comment without insult. Let's engage each other. You can learn from me, I can learn from you. There's no need insulting each other. We cannot learn anything from insult, but I can learn from the correction you are making. That is just it. So thank you guys for watching. Continue watching the rest of the video till I come back again with another latest update. Thank you. Do have a wonderful day.